Hey everybody, this is Paul from R22 and today we're going to be looking at the R22 Graphics pack. Now what this pack is, it's a set of high resolution images of an R22. It's from all angles and it gives you things like aircrafts from side, back, rear, any angle you want with or without rotor blades, and it just gives you a big library of stock images for the R22. Now what it allows you to do, it allows you to build very high quality flight school lessons, safety presentations and marketing graphics as well. So anything you require, any graphics on this aircraft, it's really suitable. So what do you get? You basically get a large selection of aircraft images from all angles with and without rotor blades. Okay, so you can see they're quite high quality, and I also separate the rotors as well. So what you can do is, if you want to, not only can you put static graphics in presentations, in Word documents, in PDF documents, websites, whatever you need to do, you can also animate them as well. Whether you use PowerPoint or you use your own animation tool, you can animate the blades and make them look really, really cool. So I give you a large selection of images. Okay, so on the screen here is just a selection of them. There is more in the pack, but we'll see that in a minute. Okay, so you can see we've got blades, we've got different angles of the aircraft, quite high quality. And what that allows you to do is it allows you to animate. So you can see we can do things like this. It looks quite complex, but it's not. All this is very standard PowerPoint animation. So anybody with any sort of ability with PowerPoint can now produce some very, very high quality training materials, images, or whatever they want to do. And again, just another example of things we can do. So little bit of a overblade cone there, I think, but you would have been overtalked the engine quite dramatically. But you can see by having a stock set of graphics, it really makes it easy to build anything you require with this aircraft type. So this is the R22 graphics pack. So once you download the zip file and open it up, this is what you're going to see. You're going to have a couple of folders and a PowerPoint presentation. So the PowerPoint presentation is just the one I showed you at the beginning of the video, and just gives you a bit of an indication on some of the animations that I did. So have a look at that and you can see how I've done that. But when it comes to PowerPoint, the images work incredibly well, and if you have just a basic knowledge of PowerPoint animations, you can create some really cool stuff with this graphics pack, and that was the whole point of it, really. The assets itself, you can see you get the R22 folder, and in there you get a library of stock images of the R22 from different angles. So you can see front quarter, left side, rear, everything you require. They come with and without blades as well, so if you want just the standard images, you can just drop them into your PowerPoints, your Word documents, your PDF, whatever you need to do. And then if you want to animate them, you can do it without the blade, so you can drag them in as separates. So a lot of options there to allow you to build some pretty cool things. Blades, I've just separated the blades, just make that large so you can see it. I've just separated the blades out as well as separate assets, so if you want to animate the blades turning, you can, the tail turning, you can. Also I've separated the blades out as well, so you can, if you want to simulate blade tilts, you can do all sorts of things really. So it gives you lots of options. So you've got lots of blades there and lots of pictures of the R22, so combining them two, you have a lot of options for some pretty stunning presentations for your ground schools and flight schools. So that's that. README file, just a quick information on the product, so just have a quick read of that as well. Any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and thank you very much for purchasing the graphics pack, and I hope you enjoy it.